everybody, I just came back from work. Today I thought I'd share with you what are the activities I do once I'm back from office. More of like after work, how do I manage my time at home. Also, I will be sharing my dinner routine with you. I am planning for a Kerala style boiled egg curry today. Do give this recipe a try. This comes out very delicious and it's my family's favorite recipe. So do not skip the video, watch it till the end and you're going to love this recipe. So let's not waste any more time and let's just get started. After I have changed and freshened up, I make some tea for myself and my maid. Yes, I have my maid back to help me around with some chores since I have to go to office on an everyday basis now. She helps me with sweeping, mopping and vessels. While my tea is boiling, I also start prepping for the dinner. I take out all the veggies that are required to be chopped, soak rice or dal as per my dinner plan. Today I am planning to cook some ghee rice as a combination for the egg curry. Hence I am soaking some basmati rice. Soaking rice and dal at least for 15 to 20 minutes is a very good practice as it reduces the cooking time plus reduces the consumption of gas too. While returning from work, I got some fresh vegetables today. There is a Monday market near my office and I buy vegetables on a weekly basis from there. I have washed these vegetables and left it to air dry now. Meantime, my tea is ready. While having tea, I try and relax my mind and plan for the activities left for the day. To make it easier throughout the week, I plan my entire week menu on Sundays and buy vegetables according to the meal plan on Monday. This weekly menu planning has really helped me a lot as I do not have to waste time thinking every morning as to what to cook. Most of the time, this what to cook is more stressful for me than the actual cooking. How many of you agree with me on this? Do let me know in the comment section below. The day I buy veggies, I also prep some of them. Like to store the coriander leaves for more than a week, I cut them and then place them on a tissue like so and then roll and store it in an airtight container. To store the green chilies, just remove the stem and then store them. Likewise, I also store peeled garlic in a separate container in the fridge. By doing this, you can easily store the vegetables for more than a week and these small things help a lot during the morning rush hours of cooking. It is almost time to cook dinner now. The smell by this time is so delicious. Wish I could make you smell this from here. Too good. Let it cool and then blend this to a smooth paste by adding water. In the meantime, let's move to our next task of arranging all the washed vessels which my maid has helped me with. I generally wipe them down and then arrange it in their respective places. Moving back to cooking, an effective technique to peel the boiled eggs easily every time is to take a bowl, fill it with cold water and put the eggs directly from the stove into this cold water. This will shock the shell and it can be opened super quick. While the gravy is boiling, I am now moving to yet another task of the day, that is folding clothes. I wash one cycle of laundry every day. I put them in the machine as soon as I come back from office and I fold them the next day. So these clothes are washed last evening. I find this method of washing every day to be most effective, as you do not have a big pile of laundry on any day waiting to be washed or folded. Now switch off the flame, add some more curry leaves, coriander leaves and a dash of coconut oil and close the lid immediately. This last procedure makes the curry so aromatic. Please try this technique, you will love it. Our delicious egg curry is ready to be served. I am serving this today with the ghee rice which I was cooking alongside with the curry. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, do not forget to like, share, comment and of course subscribe and be a part of my family. Until next time, stay blessed, safe and happy. Bye-bye.